In this video, I will show you how to audit Coursera courses without enrollment certificate. So I have in here this article from Coursera themselves that shows us the actual enrollment option. We have in here that when you enroll in a course, you'll see different paid or free options depending on the course. We have course certificate, specialization, Coursera Plus, financial aid, audit only, and full course no certificate. For this case, we can just use the audit only option and you can see what it actually entails. When you click onto this audit only, you can see this. So when you audit the course, you'll be able to see most of the course materials, but you won't be able to submit certain assessments or get grades for your work. So that's totally okay since it's considered free. However, you won't get the course certificate, but you can pay for one at a time during or after the course. If you pay for a certificate, you need to make complete more coursework that wasn't available in the audit version. So you can just subscribe for the audit version if you would want, and then subscribe again for the Coursera Plus or enroll in a particular course in order to get grades or certificate. So that's how you audit Coursera courses without enrollment certificate. Hope we helped.